This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning. Welcome to session number 8. So today's concept is we are going to find the hidden properties of an object. Yes, yesterday we have one question in the assignment. Yes, Samir, that question also we are going to do that one. Actually, that is a one object only we have. Yes, whatever you send now in the chat box, that is a one object we will get. Definitely, you will get that answer end of the session. So simple target of today's concept is target is important. One second, I think unexpectedly deleted that one. 29 copy the hidden properties an object. So target is very simple. When I execute any commandlet, you can take any commandlet. If you execute the commandlet, we will get, if it is a proper one, you will get the result. For instance, get local user, right? Or get PS drive. Any commandlet, you can take any commandlet. Or get service. So we are getting some standard output on the screen. Now, in this result, we are going to select one object. So if I call this object, if I take this object, okay, for example, few objects I'm copying from console to notepad. Okay, in this result, see, if I take the line number 10, this is a one object. Normally it is an object. Object is available in a commandlet result only, right? In the property names are available in the result only. Property values also available in the result only. Okay. Simple question here. A object contains, here one object is there. The object contains on the screen, if you take specially this object containing three property values. That is a stopped is a status property, and AJ router is a name property value, and all join router service is a display name property value. So the question is, a object, any commandlet result, is it containing these three properties on the screen? We have a three. Nothing but these three properties we will call as a default properties of get-iphone service. Default properties. A object containing only three properties? No, that is wrong. A object contains more than three. I mean, here more than three. Here on the screen we have a three. That's why I'm saying that one. That more than three definitely it contains. So by default, we will get some properties on the screen, but hidden properties also available for every object. So to identify how to check all properties, and as of now, I am explaining to you one object, nothing but one line contains property values. Property values. Not only property values, some more also there. A object contains methods also, methods, nothing but .NET functions. Simply how to remember, no need to write any code for that one. Methods ends with curly braces. For example, some name, get a type, some name. Methods will perform some action. Already defined code is there. Okay, now the question is, a object contains property values like running, name property value, display name property value. And actual definition is one object contains not only property value, methods also there. Right, sir. Now how to get, this is a target. How to find out, how to list out and use the hidden property. Two things are there here. So for that, we have a two methods are there. There is a one command, it is there, get member. See, as of now, we know only one commandlet in the commandlet 2 area, that is a var-object. With command prompt, I am using commandlet 1, typelet commandlet 2. In commandlet 1, we know lot of commandlets. Get service, get a process, get a hotfix. But now in commandlet 2, we know only one thing, that is a var-object, and the famous thing is a filter script. Already these approaches we completed on yesterday session. Yes, yesterday session we covered. Now I'm introducing one more commandlet. Important thing, sir. What is the purpose of the var-object? So what commandlets we should use in commandlet 2? That is important. Why we should use var-object? Purpose is important. Now tell me, what is the purpose? What is what it does? What is the activity of the var-object? What
It will
does?
filter the data.
It filter the objects based on the property value from a collection. Okay. Now I'm introducing one more commandlet in the commandlet 2, that is a get member. So when we use commandlet 1 after get member, if you use get member in the commandlet 2 area, so it will list out all the methods, and properties of the commandlet 1. All properties and methods of the commandlet 1. So simple. See, properties, one second. Properties. If I am selecting get service, I am submitting this commandlet to get member. Right? Before going to execute this one, what is alphabet 8? Please tell me what is get member. It is a commandlet, and what it does. See, get member help document gets the properties and methods of objects, property names and method names of the object. As of now, we don't know this area. I said to you, it is nothing but .NET functions. I said to you, this is nothing but .NET functions. It is a .NET functions. Apart from that one, if you read, see, just ignore this sentence. Ignore the sentence. As of now, we don't know the methods concept. At variables concept onwards, we will learn this thing. See, gets the properties of objects. Right. Just submit this one at command prompt. I'm submitting get service. On the screen, we can see now get service. We can see status, name, and display name property values for every object. But if I submit in this way, get member, see, these are the available properties. See, one object for one line purpose, only one line purpose. These are the available properties. One line, only one line is there now. I mean, get service is there now. For example, if you take one line, these are the available properties: status, name, display name. But hidden properties for apart from these three are this. Yes, we have a for one line we have a name property is there. Originally name is alias. Name is alias property. For original name of the name property is a service name. Original property is different. Yesterday I put a doubt in your mind. When we work with get hotfix, when I try to do the filtration with the source property, we are unable to get the result. Right? So that, yes. Okay, see, some apart from the second one is we know the status property. Somewhere we have a status property, yes, and a display name property here. See, not only that one, some other properties also available. See, some properties are available, aliases are there. Alias is nothing but version name, service name is there. Name property, version name is service name. Somewhere we have a service name. And another property is there, requested services is there. Versional name is service depends on. So these are the versional properties. See on the screen, we have versional properties on the screen. But here I think we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14 properties are there, but on the screen we are getting 3. We are getting 3. We are getting only 3 only on the screen. But this is a way we can find out the hidden properties. So method 1 I am explaining to you, get member. So what it will do? So this get member, it list out the all properties, list out all properties and methods of one object, one object. It is a normal method only, sir. So method 2 also I will explain to you. So this is a method 1, how to find out the hidden properties. This is the first approach. Any commanded, for example, get process is there. So for on the screen we can able to see how many property names we can able to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For one object we have 8 property values, right? But originally if you call get member, see more than 8 is there or not? Big list is only there. See, big list only there. Big list only there. Almost 25, 26 properties are available. So originally these are all our hidden properties. Okay. Now observe the today's target, how to list out and how to use it, the hidden properties. How to list out and how to use it. Okay. First of all, get member. And second method, before going to see the second method, we need to understand one commanded, that is a select icon object. So first method will give to you 90% answer. I can say 90% answer. Raghavendra, I will share that one. Wait. So second method we are going to see now, select icon object is there. It is important you will get perfect detailed output. It is unofficial method, like how to find out the mandatory parameters, like square bracket concept is there, no? Like that it is. So in the command letter 2, I am introducing one more command, that is a select icon object. What it is? So same question I asked at the time of where icon object, get a member. So your select icon object, select the required properties for the otherwise select the required properties for an object. I mean nothing but by this you can select the default plus hidden properties. Especially this parameter having 3 parameters, property and first and last. Listen carefully. It will take the number input, property names, I mean property 1, property 2, property 3, like that you can write the property names input. This is all our inputs. See, for example, listen carefully, get service is there. Normally we are getting this result. Okay. Second question is, we know
Naga, here one more doubt here.
Let me
So
complete.
when
Fine.
you are sure,
Let me
okay.
just, I mean, I'm going to covering main point. See, when I take the get service, I'm using get member. These are the properties. So normally these are the results. First screen, second screen having all properties of get service for one object. Now, see, listen carefully. I am selecting a third screen. In the third screen, I am writing. So which properties you want to print for one object apart from the default one? See, where icon object, sorry, get service. Now I'm writing select icon object property. Which properties you want to print apart from status, name, display name, or including also? For example, are you able to see something on the screen? For example, here, observe here, we have some properties are available or not on the screen. So I want to print, start to type. not a default one. I don't want to print status name, display name. Apart from that, I mean, I want to print in my own order. I want to print in my own order. Next one. Can I write can stop? See, here can stop is there. I'm selecting this one. I'm selecting start type. I'm selecting some other property. Closely observe here. I'm selecting some properties. I'm selecting some properties. I'm selecting service name. Yes, observe closely. Observe this closely. If I execute only, if I execute get service only, normal properties will come. Normal properties name, status name, display name will come. But see, if I try to execute my own commandlet, see the result. Tell me, sir, is there any difference is there comparing with previous one to now? Comparing with the previous one to now, is there any difference? Yes.
It's
Whatever we
listed
mentioned.
only the property which we mentioned.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes, whatever. I mean, how to find out these hidden properties? By using
Get member.
Get different get member.
get member. Yes. Now you can ask her, what is your doubt?
Now here, see, so where object and select object we are using. The difference which I really wanted to know is like, so whichever property which is not showing up when we run where object, uh, for example, only display name and service name, only three property was showing when we run normal get service actually. So whichever property which is not showing, if we need something else in that scenario, we need to go for select object, right? Or instead of where object we can use the select object for we can avoid where object itself, right? Instead of using where object we can go for select object itself, right? So do we really need to use in that scenario like where object? Instead of that we can go with select object itself, right?
No, your assumption and your idea is wrong. Actually, where if an object purpose is the filtration. So when you work with the other properties apart from default one, that time only we should work with select an object. The answer is no. So your select an object will perform lot of activities. One of them is, see, for example, now we are selecting hidden properties. One of the activity. Two more activities also there here. That our first parameter is there, last parameter is there. So your select an object main purpose is not only to print the hidden properties. The simple definition for the select an object is to print your required properties in the given order, whether that is a hidden or default, whatever that one. See, if I give the normal properties, will it print? So instead of this one, I'm going to print name, status, display name. Will it work? Will it work? And instead of status name, definitely it will work. So it means, it doesn't mean only for hidden properties. Select an object only knows whatever you are providing the order after the hyphen parameter name, that property values it will print for every object.
So select object means it will just print, but where object will used for filtering. So
Yes, absolutely. I very clearly I
correct,
define
correct.
this.
Yeah, I got it. Correct. Yeah, got it. Yeah.
That's why
But
I'm
it is,
maintaining it.
but can we is commandlet 1 and commandlet 2? Can we, for example, commandlet 2 we can use where object, and then commandlet 3 can we use select object? So can we?
Absolutely, you can use. But what is a filtration? I mean, yes, always commandlet 2 means before after the pipeline. You can use your where an object. Again, you can use where an object. You can use n number of times. I'm just selecting it. So always commandlet 2 means it doesn't mean use two commandlets only. See, after the pipeline, normally I will call pipeline commandlet 2. It's a commandlet 2. And it is a commandlet 1. Why? Because I'm talking based on this pipeline operator. Based on this pipeline operator, it's a commandlet 2 or not. Based on this commandlet operator, it's a commandlet 1 and it is commandlet. Based on this pipeline operator, it's a commandlet 1 and it is a commandlet 2. So you can use any number of. Okay, now, so this is the first activity is, I said we have a two methods are there. First method is get member. I can say 95% it is best option. Second method I didn't introduce it to you now as of now. To learn the second method, we need to understand. I mean, this method will give you 100% answer. But to understand the second method, how to find out the hidden properties 100%, first of all, we need to understand select hyphen object. First activity is it will print the selected properties. Next one is first parameter also we can use it. Means with the select hyphen object, either you can use
Your voice is in and out. I don't know whether I am facing issue or others. I'm not sure.
I think everything is fine from my. Can you verify from your end? I think 50 plus speed is there, 50 bps.
We can hear you good, sir.
Okay, just to verify from your end. Okay, see where we are. One is a select hyphen object, parameter property. The property names you have to mention here. First property, second property name, third property name of the main commandlet. So how to find out these blanks? That is a get member. Where get member, you will get all main commandlet properties. Nothing but get service, all properties list you will get when you use get member. Sorry, get service, get member. So anything starting with hash, that is a commented line. It won't execute. So from this you will get the list, main commandlet, all properties and methods also will come, but you have to focus on method properties. The main commandlet properties you can give in here, the same order you will get the result. Based on the available space on the console, it will take either table format or list format. Based on the available space on the console, either it will take the table format or list format. Okay, now we are talking about the second one. See, get member, sorry, get service or any commandlet. You can also use select hyphen object with one first parameter and last parameter. First, after you have to provide a number as an input. Yes, see, if I'm providing first one, it will print the first one object of the result. If I give 10, it will print the first 10 objects of the result. So if you give two objects, it will print. Like first is there, similarly last also there, last one, last two, and you can give the first one and last one also. Yes, combination also you can give it, first one and last one. So this is a one. So what is the next important thing, sir? Here we are going to cover the next method is the second method. I said 100%. So where any commandlet after, then after you have to select one object. Then after, just use format list property star. Here, format list is nothing but it will print. See, observe one by one. Get service, normal result. Get service, normal result. Select hyphen object, first one line. The one line output I am printing in the list format with the property star. Property star means everything, sir. Every property. See, same one object only. This commandlet will get the input from where? This commandlet will get the input from where? From here or not?
Hyphen object, yes.
Yes.
Yes. I mean the output is already. This is the output of the first. I mean this area command. Select hyphen object. First one output is this one or not? This is output. Only one object is there. Yes. This is output of the second commandlet. That one we are submitting to commandlet 3. See, same output. See how we are getting. How we are getting in the form of list format. Yes, I am only saying that one print in the list. How to print? Filter star and property star. I mean everything I want to print. See, one of them is status, right? Name is there. Name is there. Somewhere. Name is there. Yes, and display name, agent activation runtime, somewhere. Apart from that one, we have other properties also there or not? Now tell me, perfectly we are getting all properties and property names and values or not? Perfectly we are getting property names and property values or not? Perfectly this method will work for properties. But observing the previous method, if I take the previous method, what is the problem in the previous method? Why I'm using 95%? See, if I'm using get member, I'm sorry, spelling mistake. What is the difference comparing with this one to this one?
We are getting extra methods and some other types.
Yes,
Methods.
here extra we are getting methods in the get member. We are getting extra methods also. But see, here you are able to see display name only. Is there any display name property value in the screen for get member? But here we have. For example, service handle is there. Service handle is there. Where it is? Okay. Service handle property only it is giving. But is there any property value on the screen? First, this screen. Is there any output? But here we have some value is there or not? Yes or no? I mean, second method will give to you perfect answer for properties. But both are important. First get member will give to you name of the properties, name of the methods. So what is the name that names are there. But second method, it will give to you all properties, their corresponding values it will print on the screen. All properties, their corresponding values it will print on the screen. For one object, it is in the list format. So this is a table format. Now the same result in the list format. See, this is originally all hidden properties are there. For example, tomorrow your target is if you want to print some of them, just you have to use get service. Yes, what should we do? Select type an object property. I want to print start type. I want to print service handle. I want to print a name. I want to print status. I want to print can stop. Yes or no? Can I write in this way? For every object, will I get all these properties? Yes or no? So I'm telling that select type an object now onwards print these 5 properties. Now see table list format automatically came or not? Automatically based on this page this came. Even if you
Naga,
want to, yes.
Naga, you are telling uh, if we use object, we will get property name as well as property value. If we go with the get member, it will give output as property name
And
and
method.
property type. Correct?
Absolutely. I mean, get member will give to you
Proper.
method names and property names. But
Ah,
whatever we
okay.
used just now, I mean this previous one,
Okay.
it will give to you property names and property values perfectly. It will give.
Then, okay. Okay. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Now, I mean this is
Uh,
just promote. Yes.
yes, Nagas. Okay, my doubt here is okay, select hyphen object. So here if you can see like name, required services, all the properties, right? So we are getting only one that for name we are getting AR, SVC, 7BE, 3D, and required services we are getting that curly braces, and like that we are getting only one value for that particular property. Correct, right?
Right. This is the one value. This is the one value. No, normally we are seeing from day one. That is in the detail format. All properties are available.
Oh, okay.
Sanchit, yes, you can do it. One object purpose it will print. Also right. Now perfectly. Now tell me, for one object, we are seeing all property names and values are not on the screen.
Yes.
One object level, we are seeing one line. Originally, day one onwards, we are saying that one only 3 properties. Now that is wrong. That is wrong. The one object, this line contains not only status property value, not only name property value, display name property value, some other also there. These are all are hidden properties. So any command let, for example, now tell me how to find out all properties of methods, properties and methods of get service. Yes, just use get service, sir, get hotfix, get member, just use get member. Yes, now see the result. These all are, I mean, here 95% only you will get that answer. These are completely one object purpose, one object purpose. These are available properties and methods. Now tell me, if I take the PowerShell console, if I execute get-artfix, is it right? How many are we can able to see on the screen? Source is there. Okay, come to description. Description property name is there. Description is there. Description is there. It's a get
Yes,
artfix only, sir.
yes.
And artfix ID is there. Installed by and installed on also there at last. What about yesterday's question? Where is the source, sir? Where is the source? Is there anywhere source? Is there anywhere source?
Yes, first one. It's a alias property.
So source directly is source is directly is there like description on the screen.
No, no.
Yesterday we did one activity end of the session. What is that? Artfix we filtered where object filter strip $_ we return source equals to, I mean based on my server I return server 01, but we result is empty. Am I right? This is our last question. Now tell me how to find out the version name. See, 100% if you want to work with properties, blindly go to the method 2, sir. Blindly go to the method 2. Method 1 also important when you want to find out the alias names and method names. See, please remember conclusion of the above topic is one object purpose of any commandlet result. If you want to find out property name and method names and alias names, only names only. If you want to find out that particular commandlet and get member. But second method is only it will give the property names and property values in the list format. Nothing but key, I mean key and value concept. Only property names and values. Only property names and values. Then you have to use commandlet 1 and select first one object, and then you can use format list property star. See again one more example. No hurry, sir. Slowly we will move. Get process is there. For one object, I want to see all property names. See here we have some here process name is there for this object ID is there. I want to see all property names. Maybe this property name is not versional. Maybe this property name may be not versional. See what to do? Get service. I'm sorry. Get process.
Get -, member.
First one object. Get member also absolutely. That is a perfect one. It will give you all properties and methods. We can identify that one. For example, what is the name we are seeing on the screen? Get process. For example, if I execute get process, npm is there. Now tell me, npm is there. Is there any npm?
Yes, third one.
It is a versionally alias. For what is the versional name? Non-paged system memory size 64. Non-paged, somewhere we have non-paged system memory 64. See version. This is a versional name. It is a versional name. It is a versional name. K means it is in kilobytes. K means kilobytes. PM is there. So if you try to do the filtration, it won't work by this value. It won't work. Yes, I'm correct, absolutely. You are printing first 10 objects. Okay, now listen carefully. After seeing this one, you have an idea what are the hidden properties. Now tell me how to use it, how to print my desired properties. Can I use how to print my desired properties apart from default?
Select -, object.
Property and property names. For example, site, session ID, yes, standard error. Can I use in this way? Is it right? Yes, I'm
Yes.
using the 3 property values I'm using. See, I'm getting sum of empty, no problem. Whatever we have, we are getting the result. We are getting the result. See, the 3 are available in the order. So whatever you are, first these 2 methods are important to list out. How to list out this one? How will you know how many properties are available for a object? See, now onwards, one object level, we are printing 3 properties. We are printing 3 properties. And what about our previous question? I'm still confused. I'm confusion state. I mean, I'm creating a small doubt in your mind. How to do this filtration? I'm unable to find out the source property name in the get member. Is there any property name with source in the get member? Yes, come again. Is
No.
there any property name in the get member of the hotfix? Yes.
No, it is not.
No. See, how to do the filtration?
Get hyphen hotfix pipeline, select hyphen object source.
Go to select hyphen. See, originally this is output. Closely observe, sir. This is the output. Now get hyphen hotfix. Now I am selecting one object. Select hyphen object first one. Then after one object only, this one object I am printing in the list format with the see format list property star. Property star. Star symbol is there. Last one. See property star. Property star. Now see. Now tell me what is the suitable property value and property name is there. Both are there. So source is there. The linked property value is the server 01. Now tell me what is the original property name of the server 01.
PS computer.
Absolutely, sir. This is a direct, I mean, reverse engineering we are doing. By the property name, not there, property value, server 01. It is a PS computer name. And if you move slowly, underscore server name, it is a .NET superclasses concept. .NET superclasses concept. And one more also there somewhere, CS name. 3 names are valid. Even if you want to get more details about 3 names, PS computer name also alias one. For which one, sir? We received answer of the server 01 is linked with 3 property names. One is PS computer name, and another one is a underscore server, and another one is a CS name. These 3 properties giving the answer of server 01. But PS computer name is a shortcut of alias name of which one? Yes or no? It is a alias name. It is a alias name. It is a alias name of the underscore property. So CS name is there. Yes, it is a one pure property. Now, if you want to print, if you want to do the filtration, now tell me what should I do here? I want to print server 01. What should I print? When I do the filtration on yesterday, I received that answer as empty. Please confirm it. What should I type here now? What is a mistake in this? Not mistake. What thing we have to change?
Instead
We
of
have to
source
put in
type
PS computer name.
CS name.
Source we have to put server name.
Yes, PS computer name is a valid one. Or else, what is the next one?
CS name.
CS name is the valid one. Underscore server is the valid one. All these are underscore server 0. See, this is the way we need to find out the hidden properties. And one more thing, no need to completely see to find out the hidden properties. No need to please keep on mute. I'm getting some noise. Please. Karthik, yes, what is that one? Running, select object. Yes, I will do that one. Wait. Yes, this expression is perfect. Right, no doubt. Yes, Karthik is sended a for expression like, for example, first is doing a filtration where if an object filter script, he find out like for example, name is equals to or status equals to running. Right. This is a running objects. Then after, can I use select an object after this one in the result? Can I use select hyphen object? Can I use select hyphen object here? Yes or no?
That can
Yes.
be.
Status, for example, start type, I can stop, some can stop. You can write it n number of things. See, that is the result we are getting. Even this result also I can print in that list format. It is a table format. What should I do? Just give format list property star. Now you are seeing every object in one line, 4 property values. Now see that one, detailedly every property value will come. Yes or no? Detailedly we are getting 4 properties, their corresponding values. This is a table format and it is a list format. We converted. If you want to print list to table, format a table. Sir, Sanchit, wait to some time to understand how to create the alias name for the property. You need to understand advanced functions. Hold on. We are first of all, we are finding hidden things of every object. Definitely, you are getting the question means you are receiving the subject. But hold on. Definitely, how to create an alias name. For example, if I explain to you how to create an alias name. For example, this is a scripting part. How to create an alias name. If I explain in this way, definitely you will skip this session. You won't come next time. Next day you won't attend. See, how to create an alias name. For example, I'm creating for Sanchit, for your clarification, I'm giving get result. I'm going here. I'm creating one function. See here. Okay, I'm introducing one concept. For example, I have a one parameter CSR my server name. Okay. Then after I am creating alias name here. Closely observe here. There is a one approach is there alias. For example, Naga. I am creating Naga. That's this is a creation of a alias name. Now see get result. My server name is there. Same time if you use get member, I'm sorry. Get member. 1 second. You must specify the get member. Is there any spelling mistake? Get member. So see here server name is there.
Space we have.
Not required.
We
Get
don't have
member
space.
must. I sure. 1 second. Here closing is missing. Yeah, closing is missing. Param starting one, ending one. Alias now. See, this is a way. If you load it, get result. See, I can able to see alias name here directly. See, when I type n, I can able to see Naga alias name. But originally, if I use only hyphen, I'm using my server name. This is a way we can create the alias name. Even get member should also work. What is the reason? Get member, you must specify an object. Get member. 1 second. Even that is not working. Very clearly saying that one, specify one object. Result.
Type dash naga and then get member.
Okay, fine. It is printing perfectly. No, not. We are not getting anything.
Naga, that get result is the one of the output, right? So we don't have any input, so that is the reason we are not getting get member.
Actually, this is a creation of a commandlet. For example, this is a one parameter. See, no, absolutely it is working, but it is showing us there is no result. See, how many parameters we have? If I use hyphen, how many parameters are there? Only one parameter is there with my server name. But if you see, if I work with n, if I work with an n, I can able to see parameter name. Where is the name related one? No. I should get Naga also. That is an important thing. When I get the Naga, yes. Now see, Naga we are getting. Same purpose, we are creating a alias name. See, normally, if you close object, server name is there. For example, my server name is there, right? I'm printing hi. Same hi will be printed. Same one, I'm creating alias name instead of server name. I can also provide a alias name also. That is Naga. Yes, for Naga, if I'm providing some input hi, yes, it is printing. This is a way we can create the alias names. For server name purpose, we have another alias name is Naga. But to understand this one, first we should good at functions. Then after command line arguments. Then after command line binding. Then after scripting part. So still we are working in pre-basics only. That is an explanation for the creation of alias properties for a command line. Definitely upcoming days we have a beautiful magics are there. Need to wait some time. Definitely you are getting some doubt means it is related to advanced concept only. Now please confirm it about this one. Is it clear about these two methods? How to find out the hidden properties? That is my question. Definitely both are required. Is it okay about this, about two methods?
Yes. So Naga, yes. So if I know we are going to discuss in the future, I think we can get this same result on other server. I mean to say, everything which we are getting on the base machine, right? Like which OS we are using. So if the server
Absolutely.
OS something is there, so we can get it from other systems also, right?
Yes, I mean how to connect remote servers. That is a one. Yes, definitely we will see in upcoming days. That is invoke command. By using invoke command, we can retrieve the data of the same component from other servers. Now one more thing, sir. I have one doubt. Is there any shortcut for select type object? Yes. Is there any shortcut for select type object? Again,
Yes.
same question.
Yes.
Yes, we have shortcut is there, select. No need to type complete select type object, select. So how to find, instead of verifying this list, see, is there any get definition, sorry, get alias, definition of the get member. Is there any shortcut for get member?
Yes, GM.
And same time, select object. Same time, format list. Same time, format table also. Table will be useful, listed to table. Now I'm giving a short way. Instead of writing this line number 2 in this way, simply you can write in short way. Command it one, select first one, then after. If is only one parameter is there. Yesterday we used autofilling option. No, autofilling option. Remember that one? Filter script. Where if an object filter script we used only -f. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Sorry, it is interactive training. Please, a little bit interaction is required. Otherwise, it is like a one-way traffic. See, now format list position. You can also use FL. Here you can use FL and FL property star. And another way also there. Simplifying and this one. You can also use command one. Select first one. FL star. Properties are one of the I mean, it is a positional parameter. At advanced functions, we will see. Without a property value, also where if an object will work like that. Without property parameter, FL star will work. Now onwards, if you want to see all hidden properties of any commandlet, if you want to find out all hidden properties, so see, just I'm using one commandlet, select -f1. See, one object will come, then after FL space star. That's a very simplified thing. If you want to see more property names, methods, shortcuts, get member. But I strongly refer to you, if you want to work with properties, use this ultimate method, final result. This is a final one. Simple answer. Whatever you want to find out that commandlet, yes. So your select type an object you can use, for example, commandlet 1. Then after you can do the filtration. Then after you can print your desired properties. Yes. Then after print this result in the list format. Yes. See. Now tell me how many commandlets we know in the commandlet 2 area as of now. Yes, sir. Now you have to give. What is a where
Where
object?
object?
Oh no. Yes, yes. What is a where object? What is a where object? What it does? What
So
is a
it
where object?
will,
What is a where object? What is a where object?
It is used to filter the data
Filtration.
from
object values,
It is a
property
command.
values.
It
game
is a command.
collection.
Yes, it is a commandlet. It filter the objects based on the
Property values.
value from a
Game collection.
Okay. Next one. The get member. It's a commandlet. What it does?
It
Is used to list all the members, all
and
the
It
object.
display all hidden in properties.
And the method names and alias names of the given commandlet.
All hidden properties.
Yes, all, yes, all. List out all. Next, select type an object. Prints the
It will print only particular properties which will be select.
selected properties. Print the selected properties for an object with the help of the hyphen property parameter. Am I right? Print the first and last n objects. N objects with help of the hyphen first and hyphen last parameter. Yes. Next, sir. What is the other thing? Format list. List out the result of the objects in the list format. But the best approach is format list star. Star means.
Can you share this document also to us? Is it possible?
Yes,
The
every day
one
I'm
which
sharing. Every day I'm sharing to you. Every day after live session, you will get that.
yes, we received it.
Notes definitely I will. Why? Because I'm taking almost 20 to 25 minutes typing of this document. Definitely it is helpful to you. Definitely I will.
Yes, yes.
okay.
Okay. Next, what is the next one? What is the next one? Format table. Format table. Print the
Start the
result in the
table
table
format.
format.
Table
For
format.
example, we will take one example. Get service. For example, I am selecting first 3 objects. For example, then after I am going to select some properties. Two things I am using at a time. 2 things like name, display name, can stop and start type, and another one is a name. Okay, something went wrong. Okay, this is a based on the. Please keep on it. I'm getting some. We know I'm getting some echo. See now, based on my selected properties, it is coming in the 3 objects only. Coming in the which format? Key and corresponding values. Keys, corresponding values. What is the format of the output? Day 1 I said there are 2 formats. What is the output format?
List format.
It is a list format. Key and value. So day 1 or something I said. Day 2. Day 2 somewhere I said output formats. See, with beautiful example I explained or not. Right? Now, if I want to print this output in the table format, what should I use? Huh?
Format table.
Format table. That's it. Format table.
So same thing we can export in the CSV or something, right? Any other like a next pipeline we can use it, right, Naga? In the Excel
Absolutely.
format. Yeah.
Yes. but some logics are there. But when we were exporting the data, we should not use FT and FL while exporting the data. Yes,
Okay.
you're correct. You're correct. Your idea is correct. If you want to export, just we have to after pipeline some export CSV file name abc.txt. That's all. That's all. I
Okay.
mean, if I mean whatever the file, you will get the data in there. What is that file name? abc.txt or somewhere. abc.
That means if we are going to export, so we cannot use format
Notepad
table, you
spelling
are
mistake.
saying?
Yes, I will explain why we should not use FTFL. Definitely. But your idea is correct. Your idea is correct.
Okay.
After that pipeline, just we have to give. This is a file mechanism. How to put data into CSV, HTML, JSON, other formats. Okay.
Naga,
So
sometimes, yeah, one question. Sometimes when you in the property value you get dot 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 when we put format table or format of especially in format table. How to get
absolutely.
rid
That
of
is,
that?
you cannot see all the data, right? You are correct. Here, dot 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 is there. How to see the total data?
Yeah.
Yes, it is based on the space. For example, in first 4 objects, see, I'm using something like ftwrap format table. The table format, I want to list out the data detailing. Now see, perfectly we are getting or not now?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay,
So
now
we
we
have
will use
some
the
auto
formatting.
size, right?
Sorry, no, I'm not getting
Auto
your.
size.
Setting the page size. Yes, I will use FT in coming days. Format table we will use. Just I'm only using. But what is a wrap and even here also parameter property is there. Just I'm giving what is the main duty or main behavior of this command. I mean format table. Okay, finally everything is we good in the, I can say we can do any type of filtration. Conclusion of this 5 or 6 sessions, we can do the filtration of the any property value, and we can find out, we can easily find out hidden properties property of any object by using what is that? One is a get member,
Get member.
another one is a any commandlet, and then after select one object, and then after FL star, FL space star. Now tell me what is a, if I write one expression, for example, just if you take hotfix, this is a filtration we are using where object filter script $_ just we find out PS computer name equals to server 01. Now everything is we are perfect. What is the what item? I mean, why which concept we need to detailedly discuss? I mean, what items we have to discuss detail in this expression? We know the commandlet, we know the where object, parameter, hidden property name, property value. What is unknown things? I mean, what I mean, which component you have the doubt in this expression? Everything is fine in this expression. Everything is fine.
Equal
Every single
operator, I
Expression is
think we
fine,
need to learn.
but we have
explain.
16 operator, right? So we
Right.
just
Our next concept is a operator, sir. That is a, I mean, requirement. Based on the requirement, our concept is there. There are multiple operators are there. There are comparison operators, logical operators, very small comparison operators. It will take some time, but remaining are very simple. Redirection operators are there, and even assignment arithmetic also there. But very first one we are going to see comparison operator, like equal, including equal operator. We have 16 other operators also there. So our next concept is we are going to start a beautiful concept of the operators. That is our next concept. So what is the 16 operator? Yes, you may have one doubt on the day. Can I use the star symbol here, sir? Absolutely, you can use it. But for using a star symbol, we need to change the operator. So here we need to change some other operator. That operator we have to write. Yes, sir. Please go ahead. What is your doubt?
Log on as I couldn't able to find that.
Okay, I will share the document. I will share the document. Different names are there. I will share that.
Okay.
Just ping me on WhatsApp. I will share that.
Naga, actually, what is the star? Actually, I didn't get that star. FL star.
Actually, FL property For example, we are writing select -object. We are writing property name XYZ. Some we are writing, no? I mean, some selected property, desired properties we are writing or not? I mean, so if you give your star, all, star means everything. Print everything. That is the meaning.
Minus F1 is in a first. It is at only one line.
Absolutely. What is where it is? Where is -1? Minus F here.
Yes.
Yes. What is autofilling option? What is that?
Okay.
How many
First.
parameters? There is only one parameter is there. See, select -object. How many parameters are they starting with F here? How many parameters are they starting with? All parameters of select -object. How many are there? Only one.
One.
Just command it after. See, get service. If I explain these all shortcuts, I mean, first we have to learn. I mean, manually we have to learn. Then after I will give to you beautiful logic. See, space after if you control space bar, you will get total list of the parameters. Total list of the parameters. Here property is there, first is there, and somewhere you have a last also. First, last. Somewhere, where is the last? 1 second. Where is the last? Last also there. First. Yes, I can able to see last, but here I think one line is missing here. What is that line? One line is maybe screen issue. First, last.
Oh, we have in the last line. We have in the
Last
last
over
line.
there.
Last line.
Last is there.
Absolutely.
Last line, first line.
So tomorrow I will start the beautiful concept of the that is a parameters concept.
Naga, do you have all notes in a consolidated? I mean, do you have a course material or something like that?
I mean, after completion of the pre-basics, I will forward them. I think yesterday you messaged me that one. Definitely. I mean, this is we are in still. You don't consider these are the basics. We are in pre-basics only. Basics, then after advanced. After pre-basics, I will definitely share it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Naga, I have a question now.
Naga.
Hurry. Yes.
Naga,
it will be good.
Like when we are executing when we are executing get service with select object from certain parameters, we are getting the output in list format, right? So, but usually it will be in a table format, right?
Just, no. I mean, list format, table format, we cannot decide that one due to the space, available space, console space, that table or list it will select. By using FTFL, you can convert to table to list to table.
Okay. By default, like PowerShell itself will decide if you don't give any external.
Don't need to give anything. Yes.
Yeah.
Naga, it will be good if you discussed at least 5 or 10 minutes about weekend assignment.
Sure, we will plan tomorrow. Otherwise, last 5 minutes after 9 to 9:05, we will discuss. Why? Because we don't need to disturb this 8 to 9. After 9 to 5, 9 to 9:05, we will discuss.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Thanks, Naga.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thanks, Naga. Nice to meet you.
Thanks.